everyone, let us take one question related to friction from laws of motion, where you will use differentiation condition like maxima and minima. Because the question, if you consider, find the minimum value of force required to pull a block on rough horizontal surface. So, there is one statement we have already studied earlier, that pulling is easier than pushing. So, obviously, in case of pulling, force is less. But even in the case of pulling, like you are applying some force F at an angle theta, then you will take the components like F cos theta, F sin theta, and normal reaction mg, and the pulling force is forward, there is a friction. Now, the block should move, then F cos theta should become, or it should greater than or equal to Fs max, limiting friction. That is, F cos theta should be at least equal to Fs maximum means mu n, where n is mg minus F sin theta. See here. Here n plus F sin theta is mg, so n is mg minus F sin theta. So F cos theta, and this you bring this side, mu F sin theta equal to mu mg. So F equal to mu mg by F I take common. So cos theta plus mu sin theta. So for a particular angle, this much of minimum force you need to apply. This much of minimum force you need to apply to move the block. So what is this condition? This is the minimum force required to pull the body on this rough surface at an angle theta. But they are asking wholesale what minimum force is just enough to move the body. That means you can also change the direction, but you should apply the minimum effort to move the body. That means theta is now variable. Theta should be such that F should become minimum. So F should become minimum means the cos theta plus mu sin theta should become maximum. The denominator should become maximum. How do you get the maxima and minima condition? Differentiation, first order differentiation with respect to theta. Differentiation of cos theta minus sin theta plus differentiation of sin is cos theta should be 0. Then mu equal to sin theta will come here. Sin theta by cos theta, that is tan theta. How much value should be there? Mu value or theta value should be equal to how much? Tan inverse mu. So you have to apply the force such that the angle is exactly equal to tan inverse mu. But what is tan inverse mu? This is nothing but angle of friction. What is angle of friction? Angle of friction is nothing but angle between the contact force and normal reaction. So that you have to apply the force at an angle with horizontal exactly equal to what? Angle of friction. Then the force required is minimum. So that F equal to or F minimum equal to mu mg by cos theta plus mu is tan theta, that is sin theta by cos theta into sin theta. So if you take LCM, mu mg cos theta by, if you take LCM, cos square theta plus sin square theta, how much it will become? 1. So what is the minimum value of force required? It will become mu mg cos theta. Because cos square theta plus sin square theta is how much? 1. Now, same thing you can also express in another way. Tan theta mu. Take right angle triangle. This is theta. Opposite mu 1. Then hypotenuse will become mu square plus 1. Then what is cos theta will become from here? 1 by under root mu square plus 1. So what is the minimum force required to pull a body on the rough horizontal surface? Mu mg cos theta or mu mg by under root mu square plus 1. But where theta is what angle? The angle must be equal to angle of friction. If you apply force at an angle equal to angle of friction, then the force required is minimum. Thank you.